Hello. For those of you that I have not had the pleasure of meeting, my name is Cynthia Heizman. I'm the company's Chief Nursing Officer and Licensed Healthcare Risk Manager, and I joined your Access team on July 10th of 2017. Risk management is important for many reasons. First of all, risk management is the process of assessing and evaluating the organization and the different departments within the organization for areas of liability, and then developing action plans, policies, procedures, changing systems and processes to either eliminate or significantly reduce that liability. Some of the major functions of our risk department are primarily one, to review the event reports that are submitted through RL Solutions. We were fortunate to be able to implement RL Solutions on March 1st of this year. Reporting has increased significantly with the implementation of electronic reporting. What we do is we track and we trend those incidents, and then we get those trends out to the company. I think you may have noticed that we now have a mascot, Risky Raccoon, and if we see a trend to any particular incident occurring in an office, we'll create a risky moment presentation and send that out, because these issues, these incidents are transferable from one office to another. If it can happen in one office, it certainly can happen in another. And that's part of what we do, is we want to bring awareness, risk awareness, to everyone in the company that, hey, this happened at one office, make sure it doesn't happen at yours. A trend that we're seeing in falls is we're rooming the patient, we're getting the vital signs on the patient, and then we're leaving that patient alone in the room. Sometimes the patient's being instructed to get onto the exam table. Sometimes they take it upon themselves, or they get up out of the chair. They fall and they get injured. So we want people to be aware of those patients that are using assistive devices and not leave them unattended, because when they're unattended is when they fall. Risk management affects our patients in many ways. Part of the risk management program is to ensure that we're following evidence-based practice. So we stay on top of any changes to evidence-based practice, and we get those out in the form of policies and procedures or newsletters to physicians, whatever the mode of communication may be. But by ensuring that we are providing optimal care to our patients, we are eliminating risk for our patient. We're also eliminating risk for our physicians. And remember, our physicians are a very, very important part of our organization. We want to make sure that we give our physicians and our staff the tools that they need to have the best possible outcomes that they can. RL Solution will benefit the company through increased reporting so that we can track and trend specific events and put action plans into place to correct those. It also allows all of our employees to be good stewards for the risk management program. I cannot be in 155 offices. As much as I would like to be out in the field every single day, there's only one of me. However, each employee here at Access Healthcare really is a steward of risk management. If you look at the risk management page, you'll see multiple tiles for events. If you don't know what tile to choose to put an event under, you can choose the provision of care tile. But I want to bring your attention to another tile that is in our risk management program, which is called the Good Catch. And the Good Catch tile is to be used when you see someone prevent a risk issue from occurring. If you see someone prevent a patient from falling, or you see someone move a box from a door, that is going to prevent another employee from maybe tripping and falling if they're carrying something and they don't see it. Fill out that Good Catch tile. It's a catcher's mitt on that tile. It's not hard to miss. That's going to allow us and my department and risk management to reward and recognize those good stewards of risk management and get that information to our senior leadership team so they recognize as well how important our employees are in preventing risk within the company.